Did you know that VA loans can be 100% financing and that they are even insured to the lender against default? Hi, this is Joe Harris from Morgan Financial for another episode of Where's Joe and Did You Know? So the VA funding fee is essentially the way in which the VA will guarantee your loan against default to the lender. What this does is give confidence to the lender to do a loan with minimal to no down payment. This fee can vary depending on the type of loan and which branch of the military you or your spouse served in. The cost of the fee can even be rolled into your loan. Also, did you know that if you are deemed to be 10% disabled or more by the VA, you may be eligible to be exempt from the funding fee? Check out our latest blog on our website for a breakdown of funding fee costs on home purchases. Now, as usual with this series, I need your help in identifying where I am in Florida. Help me figure out where I am by liking and commenting below the video. Don't forget to follow and subscribe. Be on the lookout for more Where's Joe series. Thank you for watching. See you next time.